Okay, here I am. I'm gonna wear it. I mean, I can't get enough of it. If you're in 5th grade and you don't have a beaded number line, woe is you. You have to have this because you are in the land of decimals. You need to be prepared. This is your super laser, the beaded number line. So all those operations, all that procedural fluency, all that computational fluency that you want your kids to have around decimals, this is the key. These are tenths. These are hundredths. This is 1 whole. I can say to the kids, I have 2 tenths, and I'm going to divide it by 2 hundredths. So the question is, how many groups of 2 hundredths can I take out of 2 tenths? Then the kids can see, that's 1 group, that's 2 groups, that's 3 groups, that's 4 groups, and you can use clips, 5 groups, and they can just figure out how many it is. This is it, baby. It's right here. You're looking for the answer. The answer is here in front of your eyes. You want to teach kids, to be fluent, adding decimals. 39 hundredths plus 12 hundredths. That's easy. Here's 3 tenths. Here's 4 tenths. That's 39 hundredths. I want to add 12 hundredths. So I'm going to add 1 more to make it 40. And then I'm just going to add 11 hundredths. There's no other answer. This is the answer. So you say, 10, we got a tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths. We got 5 tenths and we want to take away 28 hundredths. So kids could say, I see. I actually could start at 28 hundredths, jump 2 hundredths, and count up to 5 tenths. Or I could start at 5 tenths, take away a tenth, take away another tenth, take away another tenth, and put 2 hundredths back. All that stuff you want them to be able to do magically in their head, they need to do on the beaded number line. And then when you do a lot of work on the beaded number line, you can go to some other models. You can start, drawing out models and then, doing the actual calculations. This is it. I use base 10 blocks, but I use the beaded number line. And there's beaded number line paper so they can see the model and manipulate it as well. And we have a bunch of beaded number line cards. And I love beaded number line. I wrote a book with Dr. Allison Milo on the beaded number line because I think it's one of the best tools ever. It is the tool of tools. And it needs to be in every 5th grade teacher's toolkit. And every kid needs to make their own. Get you some pony beads and some sort of string or elastic to bead them on, and you're good to go all year long. So, concrete, pictorial, abstract. This is concrete. The abstract is all those calculations we want them to do in their head. The pictorial is the bridge. Because you see, once they can do this and they really are good, they can draw an open number line. Voila. Right? So, don't sleep on the beaded number line.